Bessie. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Johnny. It's my birthday and today I am turning 9. I feel so bubbly and super special awesome today. Yeepee. Bun 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 boo bun. Happy birthday to you too. Bueno.
Oh. I thought you were turning 5. Wow, you grow up so fast. Es muy rápido.
We are both 9 now, my feathery friend. Kitty, when is the clown getting here?
Not a kitty. I am a bunny. Not a birdie either. You need to start learning your animal.
Me goes the cat in the hat me. Let's go into this restaurant to eat carrot cake and have a lettuce shake with lots of milk in it. My teeth aren't gonna get any smaller, Joe.
Okay, fine. But you're paying.
But it's my birthday. Cry cry.
But you called me a kitty. I'm not a kitty. Do you want a kitten as your friend instead? It's my birthday too. Mama told me that I get stuff free on my birthday. I want my mommy.
Fine, we will both pay. Bun 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 boo bun. I feel like a green bunny and I have black eyes. I have a red bow and that's the Orange Bunny song. Bun 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 boo bun. Bomb.